is Vi Alonso, and this is my career informative speech on forensic science. Have you ever wondered how arrests are made with little evidence, or the science that goes on behind arrest? Well, according to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, forensic crime laboratories are responsible for examining and reporting on physical evidence collected during crime scene investigations for federal, state, and local jurisdictions. Forensic science is an important part of law enforcement, as if a crime is not caught on tape or has a very clear outcome, there is usually some forensic science that goes on behind the scenes. Forensic science is a career growing, and it has many different specialties that hold different responsibilities. Forensic science is growing in job opportunities. They are growing at a much faster rate than many other jobs. The Bureau of Labor Statistics predict from 2020 to 2030 they are supposed to grow 16%. On average, 2,500 new jobs open up per year in the forensic science area. Forensic science is a competitive scene, though. If you apply somewhere where there is limited jobs, you are less likely to find a job there. But a way to stand out in this field is to either have more schooling or to have a little bit of experience that helps get into those jobs. One area of forensic science is crime scene investigations. There's many different parts of crime scene investigations, such as taking pictures of the scene and then looking back at them later to try to figure out what happened, or even walking step by step through a crime scene by recreating it and then working it out. There are certain areas of interest you can go into, such as crime scene investigation, but you have to first have the basis of forensic science and then specialize in your interest. Many people go for a crime scene investigation because it is a hands-on part of the job. All forensic science involves, being hands-on. For this part, you get to go out in the field and interact. There are many other different areas that forensic science include. You can specialize in chemistry or biology, and with that, you hold different responsibilities than you would for different specialties. For chemical and biology, you work with lab equipment, so then you hold responsibilities for those. All forensic scientists, though, have the base responsibility of having your evidence collected and neat and ready to testify in court if you are called on to. Another area of forensic science is like technology, crime scene investigations on online stuff. So it's like investigations online, and you would do those for fraud or things like that. But those people who work with the technology can also do many different areas, and they would, for example, have the responsibilities of the base of forensic science, and then their job as technology, and then also anything they help with. In conclusion, forensic science is a growing job that offers many different opportunities. If you're going to go into technology, psychology, or different areas of forensic science, there's going to be varying responsibilities. Forensic science is something that greatly impacts us today, and for example, DNA. If you just lightly touch something today, they can take that and usually figure out who you are if you're in their database. Whereas years ago, you would have to have some kind of more solid evidence as a witness, or if there was blood on the scene, they could test the blood. But today, it's much simpler than that. And thank you. That was my forensic science speech.